Yeah, we started taking that to trade shows and very quickly realized that you just really can't do these trade shows, and you can't afford them with one item, with one SKU. So we decided, well, and not everybody wears Carhartt bib overalls. So we knew right away that we had to bring some more solutions in for people that work on their knees. So we started searching the world for a foam that would be satisfactory for nailing mats. And we examined all kinds of different foams. And the only one we found that really worked good is rubber. You know, it's not plastic, it's primarily rubber. And it is harder to work with, it's harder to produce, it's harder to be consistent with, but it still is the very best. And we started out with the kneeling mats, and in showing the kneeling mats to everybody, we'd put them down on the floor at the trade shows, and they would come and want to stand on them. And I said, no, it's for kneeling. They said, oh, but that feels so good. And right away, my inquisitive mind has got to know, why does that feel so good? How is it that you get instant relief stepping off the concrete onto something that's as soft? And so that in itself right there led us into the business of the ErgoKneel standing mats for people that stand at fixed workstations for long periods of time. That has, over the last few years, has become our second big success. The first success, though, the knee pads, we did change them into putting a handle on them. We had customers that wanted them with a handle. We did one that fits in a tool bucket, one that fits more for bigger projects. Those are both very successful. And what was originally the kneeling mats has now become the standing mats. And we have a whole line of these, different sizes. And like about 6 different sizes. And we really entertain special orders. And the reason for that is that we know as a business that everybody's work environment is unique. They have different needs. And the regular, normal mentality of big business today is they want a one-size-fits-all, so they only have to have a minimal amount of boxes and presses and equipment to make the stuff. We entertain all those special orders, and we pride ourselves in that, in finding solutions for people, and sometimes that takes a special product. So from '97, when we incorporated, to today, we have been focused on finding people that need answers to their ergonomic products. We've brought you down here to where we do the manufacturing of both the standing mats and the kneeling mats. Over here is a stack of our 50-50s, like I just showed you. They still have to go to the printing shop. And I don't know if you can see on the floor is a big pile of all of the fall, the waste that we're creating now, which is very minimal. We've laid things out so there's very little waste. And we are working on a way of properly recycling what waste we do have. These mats are made with a press, very much like this one here.